Hello everyone, my name is Disha Mehta, a legal intern at LEXIS and Company and a law student at Gujarat University. And today we are going to talk about a retracted confession. So what do you mean by the same? So the meaning of the retracted confession is a retracted confession is a statement made by an accused person before the trial begins, by which he admits to having committed the offense but which he rejects at the trial. So this is the meaning of retracted confession. Now what is the evidentiary value of the same? So it is unsafe to base the conviction on a retracted confession unless it is corroborated by trustworthy evidence. So here are the important cases related to the evidentiary value of a retracted confession, which are: first one is of Bharat versus State of Uttar Pradesh, which was held in 1971, and another is Manjot Singh versus CBI, which happened in 2011. So, the first case, which is of Bharat versus State of Uttar Pradesh, which took place in 1971, states that Justice Hidayatullah observed that a court might take into consideration the retracted confession, but it must look for the reasons for the making of the confession as well as for its retraction, and must weigh both of them to determine whether the retraction affects the voluntary nature of the confession or not. So this was the case of Bharat versus State of Uttar Pradesh, which happened in 1971. And the next one is Manjit Singh versus CBI, which was happened in 2011, in which it is stated that considering the questions of whether retracted confessions of the co-accused could be relied upon to convict the accused, the court held here that the retracted statements could be used against the accused as well as the co-accused, provided that such statements should be truthful and voluntary when made. So in the said case, two accused persons made the confessional statement and subsequently they retracted from their statements. Thus, the court observed that a confessional statement given under Section 15 of the Terrorist and Disruptive Activities Act, which is known as TADA, shall not be discarded merely for the reason that the same has been retracted. So, these are the main important case laws, which are Bharat versus State of UP and the Manjit Singh versus CBI, which are very important for the concept of retracted confession. And this is the concept of retracted confession. Hope you like it. And if you have any doubts regarding the same, then please write down in the comment section below. Thank you.